I'm here to discuss uploading photos from your camera or your cell phone because you might have too much stored on there. You can put it on your hard drive. You can also put it into Google Photos. Couple of things. You have unlimited storage with Google Photos, providing you're doing lower resolution ones. If you want high resolution, for example, the super resolution that your super expensive Nikon did, you will have to pay a service fee after X amount of gigabytes. For the most part, most people are very happy with the 200 bytes or whatever that the cell phone does. You're trying to get them off the cell phone or off the camera because you're running out of space to store it. And if you're on iCloud with your iPhone, you end up paying a fee for extra storage. If you can afford it, fine. But I'm going to demo this. I want to upload some photos. I'm going to upload. You could have your card plugged into your computer. You could have the cable from the camera plugged in here. And you go into upload. It's going to read, I have a few photos in here. And I have a folder here already. I'm going to do Control or Command A to highlight them all. I click on Open. And it's going to do this here. What I could do, I could just have them upload. But let's say I want to put them in an album. Keeps you organized. New album. Let's call it Rome. So I've got all the photos here. I always say make sure you edit photos. If you're sharing these albums with people, they don't want to see 312 photos of that gorgeous grandchild of yours. But I have this one here. That's nice, but I don't need a duplicate. I could close that. You can't move them around. It takes all the information from the camera. You can undo if you made a mistake. I'll just scroll down here and see if there's any other photos. I really don't want, let's say I don't want this one. Pretty easy. It rearranges the tiles there. I can share it if I want to. I can add text here. I could add locations where it was. I could sort the photos. Trying to keep this tutorial brief and to the point. And you can also edit a photo. If I click inside here, I can't do it, but watch this. I'm just going to hit the checkbox here, and I'm going to go back into more options. I could edit the album. So I have this picture here. Let's say I want to edit this. Click on it. I can add text, sort photos, add locations here. Sometimes the computer gets a little crazy. Be patient. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to hit the checkbox here, back button. I'm going to go back into the photos here. So you just keep poking around, you will do fine. But if I go into this picture now, and then I click on it, I can trash it, I can edit this, I can make it a favorite, I could zoom it here. I'm going to say edit, and I could go here into different colors here. Let's keep it real. You can go into here, change the exposure or whatever. I can make it alpaca, and I could just say done, and then I could go into other edits really quickly here. Edit this, crop. Let's say I want to make it tighter. Done. So then I can change the color here. Lot of features. Light, pop, and then I could say done. I could undo the edits. So I just hit the back button here. As you all know the internet so well. And when you're in the album here, you can share, you could create photo books. I'm doing a few other tutorials online about this.